Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nitin Choda with Ignition Time, a different angle today. I wanted to share quickly my lessons in creating and launching e-commerce stores because I own a couple of e-commerce businesses. We sell on Amazon, we have our own Shopify store, and if you're thinking of setting up an e-commerce store, you need a platform, a website. That's for starters. Number two, you need to be able to identify what you're going to sell. Now, broadly speaking, you can source things from other countries or you can source things from within the United States of America. I can tell you what I've done. I own a couple of e-commerce stores that do right over $500,000 a year in sales. I'm completely hands off. I'm not involved in the e-commerce stores at all. And you need to identify a particular niche that you want to be in. Do you want to sell clothes? Do you want to sell beauty products? Do you want to sell nutritional supplements? Do you want to sell brushes for makeup? Do you want to sell plants? What is it that you want to sell? That is step one. Step two, you need to be able to source the actual items before you even think of a website, before you think of customer support, before you think of Facebook marketing. You need to be able to have some sort of a product which is unique, because you don't want to have a me too product when you launch your store. Always have something that is unique and that is going to set itself apart. Now, in the old days, a lot of individuals simply got things from China because things in China are less expensive and you import them from China. But with everything that's been going on lately, I've been seeing more and more individuals simply source things from within the United States. If you buy something that's made in America, it's up to you where you source your products from. Really, that's entirely up to you. As far as I'm concerned, all the goods that are sold on our e-commerce store are made right here in the US. And the important thing is to find a supplier or a manufacturer that can actually provide you these goods at the lowest possible rate. Initially, when you're starting out, you probably won't get the best prices because you'll be ordering small quantities. But in e-commerce, there are two things I want you to keep in mind. Number one, for the first 6 months, a year, maybe even 2 years, you're probably not going to make any money. If anything, you're going to lose money. You need to be prepared for that because e-commerce is a highly competitive business. There are a lot of mistakes that will be made in the beginning. So if you have some savings and you have the ability to ride it out, then an e-commerce business makes sense. But if you need to make money from the get-go, then I would not recommend that you start with an e-commerce business right from the get-go. Generally speaking, I would advise you to make money, follow other ways to make money online, whether it's getting paid to provide your opinion online. There are lots of sites out there, whether it's filling online surveys, whether it's being a virtual assistant. There are lots of websites. I'll provide you with links to websites in the description section below where you can earn money online, where you can become a virtual assistant, where you can provide your time and do some remote work and make some money. Now, you're not going to make a whole lot of money doing that, but it is a start. I can tell you that what I did was, I'm a licensed physical therapist. I've also worked as a fitness trainer. I would go door to door providing fitness training, providing personal training, and all the money that I saved up, I was then able to use it to start a software company. I was able to start a piece of software, and I was able to hire developers, software developers that were not very expensive. And we built software that now has hundreds of thousands of users. So I can talk to you folks about building a software business as well if you want to. So just let me know. Let me know what you want me to help you with. I can help you build an e-commerce business. I'm happy to share my insight. I can help you make money online because that's what a lot of us need right now. I can help you build and start a software business. So let me know if you need help with that as well. But in the beginning, I would advise you to find ways to, perhaps fill online surveys. Now, you won't make a lot of money there. You'll probably make close to or below minimum wage, but there's no shame in that. I mean, if you don't have a choice, what are you going to do? You need to do something to make money. So I want to help my viewers and subscribers. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to provide you with my insight on building a business. I can also talk to you about how to start a business, starting an LLC, because I own multiple LLCs, how to set up taxes correctly for the business, how to make sure that you maximize your profits and minimize your expenses, because all of these are things that we are really not taught in school. Starting a business, whether it's an online business, starting an LLC, getting a tax ID number, making sure your business affairs and your personal affairs are separate, making sure you take advantage of and get all legitimate tax deductions. I can teach you all of that. And I'm also, as you know, a real estate investor. I own many single family homes, and I can provide you with guidelines on how I purchase my single family homes and what are the tax advantages. Legally, you can get a lot of tax advantages with real estate investing. On this channel, you can get advice on real estate investing, how to start a business, how to make money online. I'll be able to give you advice on, how to get paid online with surveys, how to get paid by providing your opinion online, how to start an e-commerce business, whether it's an online store that you own or whether it's selling on Amazon. I do all of those things because I actually I've got multiple business interests in different areas. That is what I did over a period of time. For you, if you're watching this and you're just thinking of starting a business, don't worry. There are a lot of good resources, not just on YouTube, not just this channel, but there are a lot of resources. You need to be able to find the right channels, and you need to be able to subscribe them, follow them, and listen to their advice. So make sure you do that. And I'm happy to help in any way I can. I believe the way forward from all of this is for us to become more intelligent, more educated financially. If you have the ability to start a business, start a business. If you don't, then you definitely need to find a way to make money online. That's number 3. You do need to find a way to make money online so that you can become more successful going forward. My goal is to help my viewers and subscribers become financially intelligent and make more money. And making money online is not difficult. There are a lot of resources out there that allow you to, like I said, be a virtual assistant, but you need to be able to open yourself up to new opportunities. I think that success is primarily mental. And once you win the mindset, once you say, hey, I'm willing to start something new, I'm willing to try something new, I'm not going to retreat into my shell, I'm going to overcome my own mental ceiling, I'm going to overcome my own poverty consciousness, then you can successfully start a business. You can start an online business. You can make money online. You can, whether it's taking surveys online, whether it's being paid to give your opinion online, whatever you choose to do, you can, as long as you open up your mind to it, and as long as you have the confidence and you have the right guidance, which is what this channel is all about. So let me know in the comment section below what you would like me to cover, what you would like me to go into more detail on, because I do want to help our community. Honestly, I could even help you guys start and build a successful YouTube channel. You can see my YouTube channel. By the way, I've had my YouTube channel for a long time, but I wasn't posting consistently in the beginning. I started posting consistently more recently because I felt that, through all the years of learning, making mistakes, being broke, and then finally being successful, I have more to offer. I don't think I could have provided you this level of insight 5 years ago. So in a sense, our paths are crossing at the right time. Our paths are crossing at a time where I have much to offer, and where you, since you're watching this, I know you're watching this, you have much you want to learn. Our paths have collided at the best time. And I mean, you can see the honesty, you can see the sincerity in my voice. The one thing about video and YouTube is if someone is BSing, you can see it. I mean, the audience gets these subconscious cues, right? You can see my hand movements, my face, you can see my eyes. You know that I'm coming to you from an honest place, from a confident place, and I want to be able to help you. And I know you sense that, because if there's one thing this whole experience has taught us, is that our BS meter
is way up.
We recognize BS when we see it and we call it out. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Dr. Nitin Chhoda with Ignition Time. Please click like, please subscribe, please enable notifications so you get instant updates from us going forward. I really, really, really appreciate you watching. Make sure you check out my introductory video on YouTube. I have the honor, the privilege, the fortune of living the American dream. I am the American success story. And I, quite honestly, I have, I'm a beneficiary of the greatness of America. Our Instagram handle is ignition_time. That's ignition_time. So make sure you follow us on Instagram, because I release some pretty interesting content there. I let loose on Instagram and I sort of just kick back and have fun. And you'll see when you check out our Instagram page. Send us a text message with the word ignition or with the word time to 70,000. That's 70000, and you'll get added to a SMS list going forward. You can also go to ignitiontime.com/alerts. That's ignitiontime.com/alerts. And then you can get on our email list. You can opt out of the SMS or email list at any time. Finally, make sure you bookmark youtube.com/ignitiontime. That's youtube.com/ignitiontime, because then you can visit our homepage. You're not going to miss any updates. You'll be able to just watch all our videos, watch all our content on our homepage, even if you don't get notification. Thank you so much. Please like, please subscribe, please enable notifications. That would mean a lot to me. My name is Dr. Nitin Chhoda. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next episode of Ignition Time. I appreciate you. Bye.